How to enable dark mode in Peacock. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you enable dark mode in Peacock. Now, Peacock Peacock streaming app does not have its own built-in dark mode settings. The app's appearance is typically determined by your own device's wide display settings. So to enable the dark interface, you must use the device accessibility or display settings to turn off and on. So likewise, if at the moment I have a current light theme, right? So as you can see, it is actually dark theme. So when you open up your profile section, click on the accounts button and go to settings. You can find no such option as enable dark mode, or you cannot find the option as theme. So basically there is no such thing. So by default it is dark mode, and by default it's going to be the same, and there is no way you could go and enable or disable the dark theme or a light theme on your Peacock TV app. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.